Hello guys, today we're doing a little cafe hopping. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I keep seeing these cafes all over my For You page or on my Instagram, so I'm very excited to try them out. They all look super good. We're just going to 2 cafes. This is our first time cafe hopping, so we might be full. This one is so good. They gave us that one for free. It's like a grape tart. Good. That's good. Coconut latte. Let's try this. Good. What about that one? It's a little savory and a little sweet. Good. We made it to U Village. We're gonna start shopping in a little bit, looking around. She gotta go to the bathroom, so we're gonna have to find a bathroom for her. Like where this pump. They look so big. Right here, Mom. Oh. Look at my hand right now. Oh, did you see this? Olaplex came out with dry shampoo.
I need like actual stuff for my hair.
Hello guys, I'm back home. My room's a mess. Let's actually turn that way. I think you can still see the mess. It's okay. I'm gonna embrace it. My room's a mess. Everyone's room's a mess. I'm back home, so we're gonna do a little Sephora haul. I've been needing to get a refill for the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. Last time I got it was during Black Friday, and I finally finished the bottle, so I got another bottle of this. It's so good. Even the packaging is 10 out of 10. Like the inside of the packaging is so freaking cute, and then the bottle itself, like I wish I can display this, but there's just no room on my desk for that because I like minimalistic things. So there's like 5 things on my desk, including my computer. It feels good on my skin. It made my skin so smooth and glowy. So obsessed with that. It's definitely worth the money. Highly recommend. And then I wanted to do a full face of Rare Beauty makeup. So I got a few products that I never tried or had before. I got the Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist. You can use it for a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes skin. So excited about this. I love Rare Beauty. We're Team Selena over here. The quality, the packaging, everything about this brand is so amazing, and they're very women empowering. And if I can freaking open this. Oops, I just ripped it. I wanted to do an unboxing on TikTok, but I guess not. Yeah, look at how freaking cute the packaging is. I don't know if I got the small bottle. I feel like this is really small. Is there a bigger version? I didn't even check. The packaging is very minimalistic. Love it. So excited to try it out. And then I also got the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronze Stick. I got it in Happy Soul. This was the closest to my skin. I'm literally ripping this packaging apart. But here is the bronzing stick. I am so excited to try it out. I keep seeing it all over TikTok. I wanted to try a new bronzing stick because I'm not 100% a big fan of the Fenty one. That's the one I use right now. I don't know if it really does anything for me, so I wanted to try out a new brand. And the last thing I got from Sephora is this Rare Beauty mascara. I got the mini version just because I wanted to try it out. I didn't want to get the big bottle, and also I was like, I'm spending a lot of money, so we're gonna get the mini one because she's only $11. So excited about this. I love mascara. Look at how cute that top is. Like so cute and effortless. Such a nice slick packaging. So excited to try everything out. We were supposed to go to another cafe today, but we sadly didn't have time to because of traffic, and we were running out of time because we didn't really leave early as we expected, just because I took forever to get ready, and I didn't even like my outfit to begin with. But that cafe that we went to was so good. The customer service was amazing. The food was so good and the vibes were immaculate. I loved it. The owner even gave us like a free grape tart, which was so good. I never thought to order that, so I'm excited they gave me something like out of my comfort zone. It was really good, so shout out to the owners. They were so nice. Mia's trying Seattle's best tea for the first time. Is it mid? Is it good?
It's good. I like it.
I don't know why it's dark though. I
like it.
She got a mango
It's
milk
probably
tea.
because it's black tea instead of green tea.
I love that she's holding her kombucha with it as well.
It's kind of good. I'm very picky with my boba too.
And Mia never comes down to Chinatown, like ever. Oh, good.
I mean, I wish the boba was a little bit more fresher. But...
Yeah. But we got 2 peach green teas with lychee jelly. Looking for my parents. I don't know where they are.
We should call them.
Well, I don't have free hands.
Oh, your mom don't have her phone.
Call my dad.
When it came out, like.
The memo.
She's so fresh. No, because not the fire trucks behind us.
In here for a reason.
Girl, there's nowhere to go if you turn your sirens on. Let me show y'all.
What is your job, lady?
They look good.
Although Mia has to go to the bathroom.
Great.
I'm gonna buy it when it's warm. Oh, it's ice cream in there?
I think that's whipped cream.
Or
I don't even
know.
care.
Hello guys, we're on our second cafe. It's called On It Cafe in Federal Way. I'm excited to try it out. I keep seeing it on Instagram and a couple of my friends went and tried it. It's very similar to the first cafe we went to with like the croffles and like the aids, like the sodas. I think they serve boba too, and I didn't see any coffee on their menu. So we'll see once we get inside. I'm also by myself, so I'm a little nervous, but I got this. I need to learn how to be independent. So let's go try it out. I'm very excited. It's in like an apartment building, so like I don't know if I'm supposed to park here. Hopefully I don't get a ticket or towed, so we'll only go for a few hours. It does say retail parking only 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. so I think I'm fine. I'm gonna ask the owners once I get inside though, because I just want to double check. So I just finished at the cafe. I took my 2 drinks to go because let's be honest, Anna never finishes her drinks. I don't know why I got 2 drinks. I think I just got stressed out and then it was like, well, I want to try this and then this, and then I was like, you know, I'll just get 2 drinks. The people that were working there were being super nice and helping me order and recommended a bunch of drinks and croffles and stuff like that. So it was very helpful. So shout out to them. They were really genuine and nice. The location is really perfect for them. They get a lot of foot traffic for sure. Like I went there and there was like 2 people in there, and then I looked up from my computer and there's a bunch of people, so I was like, that's a lot of people. And I didn't film a lot in the cafe just because I was getting a little nervous and stressed. I'm like still really nervous to like film by myself, so I was like, you know, I'll just like film what I can, and I tried. I did good. I wanted to film the pastries in the front of the store. It's like when you order on the left side, there's like a glass case of a bunch of desserts, and I really wanted to show you because there was macaroons, cheesecake, other stuff, and I was just too nervous because the workers were right there, so I didn't film it. But if you follow them on Instagram, you can see that they post a lot of their baked goods, boba, and all that stuff. They're very known for their aids and boba. So I got one of the aids. I got the grapefruit aid. This one is so good. I think they're so refreshing. It's kind of like Italian soda. It was like 12 o'clock, so I was like, I really don't need coffee. And then I wanted to know if their coffee was good, and I didn't know if I would come back, so I was like, I'll just order it now. So I have a full brand new coffee. It's good. I got the pistachio latte with oat milk. It had like the pistachio syrup on the bottom, so it was green. I've never seen that. Like usually like it's just like looks like that. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's good. It has a nutty taste. It's very watered down now because I didn't drink it as much as the aid because I just didn't need coffee at that moment. I don't know why I got coffee, guys. I think I got so nervous. I was just alone and I was stressed, and then my headphones weren't working, they weren't connecting, and then the internet was bad, and then I tried to use my hotspot, but then I was like, well, using my hotspot is like so slow, so I was like, I'm just gonna go home because there was no point of me doing that. And they did have Wi-Fi, but I was too nervous to ask. Like, what's the point of going to a cafe? I don't know why I keep doing that to myself. They're more like a boba shop than the cafe we went to before was more like pastries and like coffee. It's like a boba shop and an actual coffee shop, like kind of have similar things. I like the vibes in there. I feel like the decor should have done a little bit, should have gave a little bit more in my opinion, because like the first cafe we went to has its own aesthetic. On a cafe is just like seats. Like it wasn't that like aesthetically pleasing, if that makes sense, but the food is. So it kind of equals out the other. I like it because of how close it is from my house compared to all the cute cafes are freaking in Seattle. Like I can't drive Seattle every day for a croffle, you know what I mean? Or like good coffee. But yeah, that's it for today's video.